So Miriam at the Bureau with your national weather forecast for tomorrow, Tuesday, the 2nd of September. Taking a look at tomorrow's weather map, we can see an area of high pressure moving across the eastern states of the country. We've also got another high pressure ridge moving across the west coast. Now, these two areas of high pressure are going to bring a little bit of a frosty start to some of these areas tomorrow. Then it will be a mostly dry and settled day following. Sandwiched between the two areas of high pressure, we do have this cold front moving across the southeastern states tomorrow, which is going to bring a fresh burst of showers to some of those southeastern areas. Let's take a state-by-state look at tomorrow's forecast now, starting with Queensland. In Queensland tomorrow, we could see some morning fogs along the east coast for areas to the south of the North Tropical Coast or so, and that could lead to some dangerous driving conditions on Tuesday morning. We are likely to see a few showers about the southeast and the Wide Bay and Burnett, but they'll be easing back through the day. Otherwise, it is going to be a generally dry and settled day with temperatures a couple of degrees below the September average. For Brisbane tomorrow, we are expecting a shower or two and a top of 23 degrees. In New South Wales tomorrow, we are going to see some areas of morning fog and widespread morning frosts through the eastern parts of the state and in the south as temperatures drop below around 4 or 5 degrees. It is going to be a little bit milder along the east coastal fringe, but we are going to see a few isolated showers moving through those areas during the day, mainly impacting the northeast of the state with the chance of an isolated thunderstorm there too. Otherwise, though, it is going to be generally dry, but a little bit of cloud lingering across the south as well through the day. For Sydney tomorrow, we are expecting a partly cloudy day and a top of 20 degrees, mostly cloudy down in Canberra with a top of 16 degrees. In Victoria tomorrow, we are expecting a cool and frosty start for the northeastern and northern parts of the state in particular. Then it will be a partly cloudy day with a few showers on and south of the ranges. But we will get a more widespread burst of showers moving into the southwest of the state later on as that cold front starts to push in. Generally tomorrow, rainfall totals are going to be very much on the lower side of things, but the southwest may see some double-digit rainfall figures by the end of the day. For Melbourne, though, we are looking at a possible shower on the forecast and a top of 18 degrees. In Tasmania tomorrow, we are expecting a bit of a dry start before cloud and showers build through the morning, mainly across the north and through the west. We'll see a more widespread burst of showers coming through during the afternoon and evening with this cold front, with strong and gusty winds developing as well, mainly impacting those western parts of the state. The snow level will drop from around 1,200 metres in the morning back to around 1,000 metres behind the front later in the day. For Hobart tomorrow, we are expecting a shower or two and a top of 17 degrees. In South Australia tomorrow, we are expecting the chance of morning fog and frost in some areas, mainly through the east. Otherwise, it's going to be a partly cloudy day along the south coast, mostly sunny and dry inland. A few showers in the south as well, mainly focused through the southeast, especially later in the day when the tail end of this cold front brushes through. For Adelaide tomorrow, we are expecting a generally dry day, partly cloudy and a top of 19 degrees. In Western Australia tomorrow, the chance of morning frost and fog across the southwest inland with some pretty chilly temperatures through those areas. The chance of frost as well across the south interior. It is going to be a mostly dry day, generally sunny in most areas, although we could see a little bit of cloud developing through the Pilbara and Gascoyne during the day, as well as about the southwest coast with the slight chance of a shower down there. It will be dry for Perth though, with a top of 21 degrees on the forecast for our Tuesday. In the Northern Territory for Tuesday, we are expecting to see the impacts of that cool, dry southeasterly surge continuing. That means another chilly, frosty morning for the southern parts of the Territory, and then a generally dry and sunny day following. Some gusty winds are going to elevate fire dangers across some parts of the state, with extreme fire dangers forecast for the Darwin and Adelaide River District. In Darwin tomorrow, we are expecting a warm, sunny day with a top of 34 degrees. Now you can find the detailed forecast for your area via the Bureau's website, the Bomb Weather app, and via our social media. Have a great day and we'll catch you next time.